What's up guys, and yes, now things are getting a little weird. No, I'm not saying the Galaxy S20 Plus is weird, but I'm just saying it's a back-to-back third video of the S20 Plus. So maybe next time you'll hear my voice in the video of Galaxy S20 Ultra. But you know nothing in the world of leaks. Whenever what would happen, you have no idea. But anyways, along with the S20 Plus, we also have details regarding the Galaxy Z Flip, which I'm gonna talk later. So here's the S20 Plus in live video, showing the every possible angle of a phone. And yeah, he was right about the edges. The curved edges are more flatter here instead of a more aggressive curves. In fact, it will almost feel like a flat display phone if you hold that phone in your hand. So let me know, are you satisfied with this curved screen, or you want more aggressive curve like at least the Note 10's curved edges? The form factor of the Galaxy S20 Plus is not pretty big, as you can see. User hold this phone very comfortably in his hand, and since it is having a massive 6.7-inch display, so I wouldn't thought it would be that easy to use or hold this phone. But let's see what could Ultra variant bring. Speaking of the fingerprint, so Max Winback has confirmed that this phone is having an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, not the 3D Sonic Max 1 that we have seen in the month of December from Qualcomm. In case you don't know, so the 3D Sonic Max is like a second generation of this sensor. It is a more faster, more reliable, and most importantly, it will cover the entire bottom half of the screen, so you won't have to place your fingers specifically in a particular area. You have entire bottom half to scan your finger. There is also an option of scans two fingers simultaneously for extra security, but this is not confirmed that it is going to have a normal first generation sensor that we have seen with the Galaxy S10 family. Maybe it could be more faster and reliable, I'm not sure. And it is also possible that 3D Sonic Max will only be present with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, because Ultra is already proved to be the best phone of this year. So let's see when we hear more about the Galaxy S20 Ultra. He has also confirmed 120Hz refresh rate. Here is the higher refresh rate settings option in the original S20 Plus, and he further confirmed that you wouldn't be able to use the 120Hz higher refresh rate while set the display resolution to 2K. If you switch to 2K, then it will automatically switch its refresh rate back to 60Hz. You are just able to use the 120Hz higher refresh rate in full HD plus resolution. And here's the side-by-side difference between the Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S10 Plus, and as you can see, the edges on the S10 Plus is definitely aggressive than on the S20 Plus. Also, the Galaxy Z Flip's details start leaking for the first time by none other than Max Winback himself. So as we know, Galaxy Z Flip will have an ultra thin glass on top of Infinity Flex display, but now he further says that Samsung will also be using a plastic on top of UDG panel for extra protection. The Galaxy Z Flip has 3300 mAh battery, which is similar to the regular Galaxy S10, and this phone will only support 15-watt fast charging. There is no way you can charge this phone with 25 or 20-watt charging. Samsung has cut the corners a lot in this phone to make it a reasonable and the cheapest foldable phone with Snapdragon 855. So yeah, that's all on the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy S20. Let me know what you think of the 3D Sonic Max sensor. Will it be on the Ultra variant, and are you satisfied with the minimal curves? Do let me know, and make sure to subscribe for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 series, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.